Hello everyone, welcome to Python Hub channel. Today we are going to learn the Python basic programs. Let's get started. So today's agenda is we'll learn the Python program for even and odd, and then exception and error handling using Python, right? So we'll move to next slide. So what is exactly try and accept block? Why we'll use the try accept block? Basically, in the try block, whatever the condition is true, that will be executed. If anything goes wrong in that particular code, the accept block will be executed, right? So we can raise the particular exceptions also based on the condition like value error, bad request error, not found error, like that we can use. Basically, it will be helpful when we have large number of code and we don't know where exactly the issue is coming, right? So this except block will be helpful, right? It will give the meaningful exception so that we can easily identify the issue and we'll fix it, right? So that will save us our time, right? So, and then we can easily, the code will gracefully handle the potential errors instead of crashing the program, right? Yeah, we'll move to next slide. Yeah, this is a sample program for even and odd. So we'll have the modulo operator here. So we need to know what is modulo operator in Python. So based on this modulo operator, we can identify whether it is even or odd. If we get the reminder as a 0, so we can consider it as a even. Otherwise, it is odd. Okay. Modulo operator, we can will get the reminder of the particular value. So for that purpose, we'll use it in the Python. Okay. Next, we'll go to next slide. So here the same program we are handling with the try except block. User is providing the input here. So if the input is invalid, we are throwing exception to the user, right? So please provide the valid integer. So based on the user will alert and he will provide the correct integer, right? So we can do live program also in the PyCharm. We'll move to next slide. Yeah, thank you. We'll go to PyCharm now. So we'll see the basic programs now live. Okay. So we are going to check like what is even and odd, right? Whatever the user given number is even odd, we'll see now, right? So we have written one function here, check odd and even separately, right? So what exactly this function does? So from here, the actual Python program will start. What is the first step at line number 11? So the user is providing the input here. So we are converting that into the integer, right? So and then we are calling the check odd even function and we are passing the number here, whatever the user provided. And then this function will call here. It will go to the number 2 line and then what it will does. So we are checking the whatever the user given number modulus 2 and then we are checking the condition like if the given user number is equal to 0 or not, the reminder. So we'll get the reminder here. Based on that, we are considering it is returning the even or odd here, right? So and then at the end we are printing the number is result, right? Let's check. I will run this one program and then enter a number, right? It is came here, line number 11. So I'll provide the number 2. So the number 2 is even because the 2 is even. So because it is going here in the check even function, we got the reminder as not equal to 0 and then it is printing as even. So let me run up once again and we'll give the odd number, right? So I have given number 3. So the number 3 is odd. So the same program we'll see for try and accept block, how we can write the program, right? So let's go to try accept block program and see the same function, the check odd even function, but I'm writing here try accept block, the code inside try and accept block. So the user is providing the number and then it is going to check odd even function and then we are printing the same as it is, but we are catching the exception here. If anything, the user provides any wrong number, so we should get some input here, right? Like a error, invalid input, please enter valid integer, right? So let's check this program, right? What we'll get. I will try to give the string here. Okay, right? So invalid input, please enter valid integer. So in the large number of program, if you write like this try accept block, if we got these issues and we can easily identify, right? Something user is providing the invalid input. So we can easily identify and we'll fix it. And then I can run again. So I will provide the valid integer now, right? I will provide 1. So the number 1 is odd. So this is all about try except block and then odd and even function, right? This is all about the odd and even function and try and accept block. Thank you for watching.